Top 12 software. Used in the construction industry for architects, civil engineers, and project managers. Number 12. Procore. Procore is a cloud-based construction management platform that connects every project stakeholder. It's best for general contractors, owners, developers, and consultants. It is not commonly used in Ethiopia. Number 11. ArchiCAD. Developed by Graphisoft, ArchiCAD is a BIM and CAD software for 2D drafting, 3D modeling, and rendering. It is commonly used in Ethiopian universities, especially in architecture programs. Number 10. SAP 2000. SAP 2000 is used for structural analysis and design, ideal for dams, bridges, buildings, and irregular shapes. Developed by CSI and used by civil engineers and mechanical engineers. Number 9. Tekla Structures, a powerful BIM and detailing software developed by Trimble, best known for steel structure modeling and fabrication. It is not common in Ethiopia. Number 8. Microsoft Project A, project management tool for scheduling, timelines, and construction progress tracking, suitable for small to medium project scales, developed by Microsoft and commonly used in Ethiopia. Number 7. ETABS. Developed by CSI, ETABS is widely used for structural design and analysis, especially for buildings. It is very common in Ethiopia among structural engineers. Number 6. STAAD Pro. Structural analysis and design software developed by Bentley Systems, useful for both steel and concrete design, but not commonly used in Ethiopia. Number 5. SketchUp. A versatile 3D modeling software developed by Trimble, popular for architectural visualization and concept design. It is common in Ethiopia, especially among architects. Number 4. Primavera P6A. Professional project management software developed by Oracle, used for medium to large-scale projects, especially by project managers and contractors. It is common in Ethiopia. Number 3. Civil 3D. A powerful design tool for civil engineers developed by Autodesk, used for road and highway alignment, survey data processing, and pipe network design. It is commonly used in Ethiopia. Number 2. AutoCAD. A universal CAD software used across all engineering fields, architecture, structural engineering, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, developed by Autodesk and extremely common in Ethiopia. Number 1. Revit A. Leading BIM software used for architectural, structural, and MEP design, and even by contractors, developed by Autodesk and widely used in Ethiopia. Which software do you use the most? Comment down below.